So children, welcome back to the next video about fractional distillation. Already we have done simple distillation, and only one thing I want to tell here is that when there are two or more liquids which are miscible, so the liquids which are miscible, that means the liquid with mixed together. Okay, if they have the boiling point and the difference in their boiling point is more than, please listen to me carefully, if the difference in their boiling points is more than 25 Kelvin, then we can separate them by simple distillation method. But if the difference in the boiling point is less than 25 Kelvin, then we use the method of fractional distillation to separate the two or more liquids. So let's begin with the fractional distillation. So very simple, almost it is very simple. We require a mixture of methanol, ethanol, stand with clamp, heating mantle, porcelain chips. Okay, take a mixture of methanol and ethanol and pour it into 50 ml of round bottom flask, again the same distillation flask. Okay, and clamp the round bottom flask to a stand and place it in a heating mantle the same way as you did in simple distillation method. Take some porcelain chips, use a spatula and put it into the round bottom flask to avoid bumping, right? And then what you have to do while boiling, you have to connect a fractionating column. Now this is something very new which was not done in simple distillation. Now connect a distillation head to the fractionating column and a thermometer and an adapter that we have already done in the previous experiment also. The same way, only one new thing has been added here is the fractionating column. Okay, the same way you have to connect the water condenser to the outlet with the distilling head. जैसे पिछले किया एक्सपेरिमेंट में किया वैसे ही यहाँ करना है. Connect a vacuum adapter to the water condenser. Then you will connect all those pipes. Connect a 100 ml round bottom flask again here that we had done previously also, और उसको place कर देंगे इसके नीचे. ठीक है, दिस वी हैव डन. और हमने एक आइस बात रखा था, सेम वे सब कुछ सेम है, बस एक नई चीज़ यहाँ पर है कि हमने यहाँ फ्रैक्शनेटिंग कॉलम ऐड किया. द सेम वे यू विल कनेक्ट द रबर पाइप्स बिटवीन द टैप एंड द कंडेंसर एंड अनदर आउटलेट. अगेन यू सी द अनदर आउटलेट विद द कंडेंसर, और दूसरे वाला पार्ट जो है वो सिंक में डाल देंगे ताकि जो भी वाटर बाहर निकले वो सिंक में आए आपका. ठीक है, टैप को ऑन करेंगे ताकि वाटर जो है वो कंडेंसर में फिल हो जाए. कंडेंसर का काम क्या है, जो भी गैस इसके थ्रू निकल रही है, पास ऑन हो रही है, उसको कूल करना, कंडेंस करना. सी, now we will switch on the mantle and 65 degree centigrade पे and heat the mixture. 65 पे methanol will vaporize, okay, first, and through the fractionating column. Now this vapors will move up on the fractionating column and pass from there, and then they will be collected into the receiver in the liquid form. Same way जैसे simple distillation में हुआ था, सब कुछ same है. Now remove the round bottom flask and containing the methanol, and अब उसको वापस से हीट करो और दूसरा फ्लास्क लगा दो और थोड़ा सा और हीट करोगे तो जब टेम्परेचर 78 पे जाएगा, फर्स्ट टेम्परेचर जो था वो 65 पे था, नाउ टेम्परेचर इज 78. देखो 25 से कम है ना डिफरेंस, the difference between the two is less than 25. Now ethanol will vaporize, now ethanol will move from the condenser and then it will be collected into the round bottom flask, जो दूसरा round bottom flask आपने लगाया in the liquid form. So this is how you could separate methanol and ethanol, both of them, and both of them were miscible liquids and both of them were having difference in the boiling point less than 25 Kelvin. Okay, so difference in the boiling point was less than 25 Kelvin, so we could separate them properly, right? So this was how fractional distillation takes place. This is how it takes place. So only one thing you remember is that we have to add a fractionating column here, और कुछ नहीं.